The KINEKT Bike Suspension Seatpost, specifically the XR model crafted from lightweight aluminum alloy, stands out as an innovative solution for cyclists seeking comfort and performance. Designed for both road biking enthusiasts and casual riders, this seatpost promises to tackle the bumps and vibrations of varied terrains, enhancing the overall riding experience. With its robust construction and thoughtful engineering, the XR seatpost is a remarkable addition to any bike. At first glance, the KINEKT XR presents a sleek profile that seamlessly integrates with the aesthetic of modern bikes. It features a minimalist design that is not only visually appealing but also practical. Weighing in at a mere 450 grams, this seatpost is significantly lighter than many of its competitors, making it an excellent choice for riders who prioritize weight savings. Despite its lightweight nature, there's a reassuring sturdiness to its aluminum alloy construction. This material is known for its durability and resistance to corrosion, ensuring that the seatpost can withstand the rigors of daily use in various weather conditions. The standout feature of the KINEKT XR is its unique suspension system. Built to absorb shocks and vibrations, this seatpost incorporates a patented mechanism that allows for vertical movement while maintaining a stable connection to the bike frame. This is particularly advantageous for riders who frequently encounter rougher terrains or pothole-ridden city streets. The suspension system consists of multiple elastomers that can be adjusted according to rider preference and weight, offering a customizable experience. Users can choose from different durometer ratings, allowing them to fine-tune the level of cushioning they receive during their rides. Installation of the KINEKT XR is straightforward. It is designed to fit standard 27, 2 mm, 30, 9 mm, and 31. 6 mm seat tube diameters, and the included instructions are clear and concise. For those who are not particularly handy with bike maintenance, the installation process should take less than 30 minutes. Once installed, the XR seatpost provides a significant improvement in ride quality. Feedback from users indicates that bumps which once felt jarring are now muted, allowing for longer, more comfortable rides without the typical fatigue associated with a rigid seatpost. Another important aspect of the KINEKT XR is its adjustability. Riders can easily modify the suspension settings to accommodate different riding styles or comfort levels. For instance, a heavier rider might opt for a firmer setting to combat bottoming out, while someone lighter may prefer a softer ride for enhanced comfort. This versatility makes the XR suitable for a wide range of cyclists, from casual commuters to serious road bikers. In terms of performance, the seatpost excels in providing a smooth ride. Many users report a noticeable reduction in discomfort during long-distance rides, attributing this to the effective shock absorption capabilities of the KINEKT XR. The enhanced comfort not only improves the riding experience but can also lead to better performance due to less fatigue over time. Riders can maintain their stamina longer, ultimately allowing for increased enjoyment on extended journeys. A potential downside to consider is the price point. The KINEKT XR is positioned in the higher end of the market, which may deter budget-conscious cyclists. However, many users argue that the investment is worth it when considering the enhanced comfort and performance benefits. Additionally, the product comes with a warranty that speaks to the manufacturer's confidence in its durability and functionality. A few users have mentioned that the initial adjustment period may require some trial and error, particularly when setting up the suspension to match their preferences. However, this minor inconvenience is often outweighed by the long-term benefits once the optimal settings are achieved. In conclusion, the KINEKT Bike Suspension Seatpost XR is a game-changer for cyclists looking to enhance their riding experience. Its lightweight aluminum alloy construction, customizable suspension system, and overall performance make it a standout product in the realm of bike accessories. While the price may be a consideration for some, the comfort and ride quality improvements provided justify the investment. Whether you're commuting in the city or tackling long-distance road rides, the KINEKT XR seatpost is an excellent choice that will likely leave